Okay, you see this graph? What does this graph represent? Well, it represents population size. And I want to talk about why does it level off? Well, the first thing is, what do we reach when it levels off there? This is called the carrying capacity. Now, the carrying capacity is the maximum stable population size of an ecosystem. But why does it reach its limit? Kind of seems obvious, doesn't it? Like, obviously, there can't be an infinite number of wildebeest living in the African savannah. But why is it limited? And it's down to various abiotic and biotic factors, those factors affecting population sizes of an ecosystem. Now, the biotic and the abiotic factors can be split into two categories. They can either be density dependent or density independent. Now, density-dependent factors, they are factors where the effect of it depends on the size of the population. A good example of a density-dependent factor would be something like the spread of a disease. A larger population means that the disease will spread more easily, which means that it will have more of an effect on the population. Other examples of density-dependent factors might be things like food availability or competition for resources. More individuals, more competition, the factor then has more of an effect on the population. An example of a density-independent factor could be something like temperature, or to a certain extent, light intensity. Now, temperature, the temperature of the surroundings, does not depend on the size of the population. Don't talk to me about herding animals that stay together to keep warm. Now, the temperature is independent of the population size. This is particularly for things like plants. Now, light intensity is kind of a density-independent factor, but in some ways it could be a density-dependent factor. Let me know in the comments in what way light intensity could be a density-dependent factor.